Yo Q, what's up? I heard you've been going through a lot of stuff, man, and you know, you just got saved, so tell me what's up, what's going through your mind?
I don't know, I mean, I know that I'm saved, but I just need to know where do I go from here. Help me out.
I'm just gonna take you to the word. Check this out. The psalmist saying, got to live your life right. Talk that Proverbs 9.10. The fear of the Lord is the beginning of wisdom and knowledge. Of the holy is understanding.
Break it down, break it down.
Okay, Q. Fear, F-E-A-R, forever experiencing a toned revelation of the Lord. Lord, L-O-R-D, He is leader of rooted deliverance. Is the beginning, B-E-G-I-N-N-I-N-G, breath of eternity's grace, identifies need of need, I need God, of wisdom, W-I-S-D-O-M, worthy insight, seizes dominance, obtained newness. You know it, needing everlasting wisdom, needed eternity, spiritual substance. Okay, Q.
Hallelujah.
And the knowledge of the holy, knowledge, K-N-O-W-L-E-D-G-E, kindle need, opens wise leading up, enlightenment, dictates grace every day.
Q, pray.
Pure reverence always leads. Holy, H-O-L-Y, He operates love. Agape! Yes, this is I.S. instituted spiritually understanding. U-N-D-E-R-S-T-A-N-D-I-N-G. Continue breakdown under U-N-D-E-R, unlocking needed directions, establishes restoration, stand, S-T-A-N-D, stabilization, transformation, applied nullification, declares I-N-G, identifies nobility of generations. So you say, why generations? Because generations, G-E-N-E-R-A-T-I-O-N-S, grace echoes needed enlightenment. Righteousness always transforms independence of needed salvation. So you say, why salvation? Because salvation, S-A-L-B-A-T-I-O-N, submission and love, validates atonement, inheriting Omega's newness. So I can't blow this, blow, B-L-O-W, breaking loyalty, ousted wisdom. This, T-H-I-S, this I say this.
I don't know, I mean, I know that I'm saved, but
tranquilizing hardship.
I don't know, I mean,
inadequate stewardship.
I know that I'm saved.
So haters, no time.
I don't know, I mean, I know that I'm saved, but
for that lip, L-I-P, lacking.
I don't know, I mean,
indispensable principles.
I know that I'm saved.
Talk that Proverbs 3.5. Trust in the Lord with all thy heart, and lean not unto thy own understanding. In all thy ways acknowledge Him, and He shall direct thy paths. Daddy, we love that word, so we say it like this. Trust, T-R-U-S-T, total reverence ushers spiritual triumph. And the Lord, lover of righteous directions, even when we need that correction. With W-I-T-H, wisdom is trusting Him. All thy heart, you know, His entry always reveals truth. And lean not, lean, L-E-A-N, lowly expectations attracts nonsense. Not, N-O-T, nullification, observation of transgression.
I know that I'm saved.
Unto thy own understanding, we say it like this. Own, O-W-N, one's weak knowledge. Side note, You can gain holy knowledge from college. Again, understanding undermined notes dictates eternity's restoration of stabilization that avails needed direction. I need grace. The psalmist say, got to live your life right.
Q, Gray.
Q,
Gray.
Q.
Q, Gray.
So, you got a Q?
Yeah.
This is Poet Chess Robert. God bless you, everybody.